is really for beginners, and I am not you know, I'm not going to go into like a real digital marketing. No, it's basically doing your videos and how you can create the content so that you can put it inside the you can upload in YouTube and several channels. All right. Okay, so next I already spoke about this, and we spoke about this. We spoke about why video presentation. Not going to repeat that. Cash quadrant. So again, the point here is that, my dear ladies, you have to be on an online presence. I know somebody's before this MCO, they were asking me, so what, Jamuna? Social media is just a channel. If I don't go into it, so what? I can do my business the way that I'm doing. I'm comfortable and I'm earning money. All right, fine. And then the COVID-19 came and changed our whole perspective and how the way that we are doing business. So I'm not saying that this is the only platform. I'm saying that this is a platform available. So today I was listening to someone else. I'm just going into the chat room. Okay, nobody there. Someone else. His name is Charles. He's my digital marketing guru. And somebody asked him a question about TikTok. I'm sure you all heard of TikTok, right? So he says that, are you on TikTok? Then he says, no, I'm not. But then he said, if there's no LinkedIn, there's no YouTube, there's no Facebook, there's no Instagram, and TikTok is the only platform for us to do our business or our marketing, he may do that. But now he wouldn't. So it made me thinking is that, you know, ladies, use whatever resources that's available now. All right, good. Now I'm going to continue to the next slide. So I'm not saying go into TikTok. I don't have a TikTok yet. All right, so let's look at what are the popular video platform now. As I say, this is for you to understand what it means by doing video presentation. So you have your 3 minutes video presentation, right? So number one is live video recording. Live video recording is that I'm standing here and I have a camera recording and I'm in front of people, all right? And for example, like TEDx, and it can be streamed, meaning that they can show it in different platforms like TED Talk. It's really in front of people and you are live, you're on the go, you know. So that is also a type of video presentation. That's one. Okay, so it's very live, it's in front of people and they're doing the recording. However, the limitation for this is that you cannot ask and interact with your audience. Like now we're doing Zoom, live video recording, you cannot interact to the audience. You can just say, okay, everybody please clap, then everybody just clap like that. They won't be talking with you. There would be audience engagement, but they won't be talking with you. Next, making a webinar. Webinar means a video conferencing via the web. Okay, so what is a webinar? So now what I'm doing right now, so again, as I said in the beginning of the video, whatever that I'm doing, just copy that for your marketing that you're going to do. So you can have, like, this is a webinar using a Zoom. There are many portals available. Later on, when you're so popular, you have like 1,000 people, 10,000 people signing up for your webinar, you can use a bigger portal where you need to pay a lot. So there are many portals, and along this 5 days program, I can share with you on the portals that's available. That is making a webinar. So the popular one now is Zoom, and there's also a StreamYard where you do like an interview. There are 2 person talking. And what people are doing right now, if you've noticed, is what people are doing now is that they're doing live streaming, meaning that I can talk a video now in like this, and this can go live in the Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and all this portal. Okay, so this is what people are doing. Okay, next, interactive video via PowerPoint. This is a very basic for people who don't want to show your face in your video presentation. So it's just like a PowerPoint slide. You edit that like a video, you put in some audio inside, or you have a short clippings. I would not encourage this for now, but it can be one element. For example, you know, you've seen people do the drawing with the chalk and the blackboard kind of a drawing, infographics. All this comes under interactive video. But our purpose for this 3 minutes is that you are going to be talking in the video. Okay. I just have a few more slides and then I'll be able to, answer your questions. So what are the types of videos? Okay, first are the platforms available. Now, what are the types of video? Obviously, the first one is sales. We want to do a video to get sales, presentation, all right, to sell a product. So what are you going to sell? Are you going to sell your phone? Are you selling your beauty care? Are you selling your child education? So it is a purely on sales video. Next is pitch. Pitch means that it's a video presentation that you do. You want people to pump in money for your business, like a venture capitalist, or you want investors to come and put in money in your business. So you are not selling to anyone. You are just selling to the investors or the capital venturists to pump in money in your business. Next, awareness. Okay. So now it's a COVID with the movement control order. What are we doing? My girl is practicing her dance upstairs and it's like pum, pum, pum. It happens, okay? Yeah, she's stamping her feet really hard. Okay, so awareness will be that your video, it's you're creating some value, you're creating some issue. For example, now is the virus, so you're creating video about the virus, what you're doing, what the virus is about, how to stay home. However, no, not this. However, you could be in the business of selling sanitizer. But your video, you're not doing the sales part, but you're doing the creating awareness, which eventually would lead into the sales. So just like me, if you're thinking that, okay, everyone is giving a free webinar, what are they going to sell at the end? What Jamuna going to sell to us and all that? Of course, at the end of the 5 days program, I would be selling my online program to you. But if you like, you purchase, you find that no, it's enough, then no need. Because this is what you are going to do also later on with your 3 minutes video. If you yourself are expecting everything to be free, then how people are going to buy your product? All right. So invest in all this. Buy things to equip you. So that is creating awareness, and which eventually will lead to sales. Now, the last one is education. Education is purely online platform. So after my 5-day sessions, I said, okay, now I have a more in-depth lessons in my creating my videos or my coaching where I'm going to guide you. So that's already online learning platform. So for all of you who are here, who are beginners, don't just think that, oh, I'm just going to create my 3 minutes video and it's going to stop. No, please be, really visionary. Wow. My 3 minutes video is a start. Later on, I'm going to be doing interviews. I'm going to be doing webinars. I'm going to be doing virtual summit. That's it. And you can charge people very minimum and people will come in because of the volume. But we are not there yet. We will eventually get there. I'm not there yet, guys. I would like to get there, all right? So all this while, I wanted to do this, but I had no time. So do you, okay? None of us had time. But now we are all staying at home. No choice, thinking of other alternatives. And just to share with you, right, this week itself, I have a session today. I have a 2 sessions with my client on Wednesday. I'm speaking at a panelist session on Thursday, and on Friday I have 2 sessions also with another client, and I'm coordinating with another client also. So it just comes in. So you will very soon attract, because you are sending that signal that, hey, I'm now ready to do a video presentation. You'll be getting all this engagement, and that's how you become a leader, authority. That means that you're a leader in this particular topic of business and people invite you to give talks. Right, let me just move on and later there'll be question and answer. So which platform should you choose? Now, this is the question that you need to answer, is that, okay, Jamuna, you know what? I just want to do a video, but can I just post it in Facebook and not anywhere else? Then why? It defeats the purpose. So my girl is making a slime. Slime is like the jelly thing that a lot of people like to, the children like to play. So she's making a slime. Then she said that, Ma, can you do a video of me, but you just show my hands doing the slime and you don't show my face, and I don't want to talk in the video. I'm like, why do you want to do a video? So video is about yourself and the message that you're going to share to your audience. So be very comfortable with it. You cannot be like me. I cannot be like you. Everyone will have your individual style. All right. So earlier I spoke about that. So always believe in that. All right. So next,